For those of you who want to quilt with the B08, we offer a quilt making set, including all the presser feet in this video. The kit includes several presser feet and a stitch plate that are perfect for quilt projects. The darning stitch plate bypasses the feed dog and guarantees a smooth movement when sewing free motion. The closed sole foot glides easier over the project surface, whereas the open toe foot provides a better view to guarantee precise sewing. The height of both presser feet can be adjusted to match the material thickness. These two presser feet have been specifically designed for use with the rulers or a quilt frame. The 1/4 inch ruler foot works best with the 1/4 inch thick quilt rulers and quilting frames. The open toe foot has an opening that faces sideways to provide a clear view of your work when standing at the handles of a quilt frame. The patchwork foot is ideal for quilt piecing with exact seam allowances of a 1/4 inch. This allows precise piecing. The edge stitch foot has a center guide that allows top stitching along edges, hems and pleats. It's also helpful for sewing in the ditch. The adjustable seam guide is attached around the presser foot shaft and works with several presser feet. There are 2 adjustment screws allowing you to move the slide to the right as well as to the front depending on your project.